What's up guys, Impulse here. Today we're going to go over how to do swaps on Jupiter on Solana as well as placing limit orders. So let's get into it. First off, you're going to connect your Phantom wallet or any other wallet you use to the browser. Then you're going to choose whichever coin you want to swap your SOL into. So make sure you're selling SOL and buying whatever the token is you want to swap into. Jupiter has a whole list of tokens they've approved. Sometimes tokens that aren't approved also show up. So make sure you don't swap malicious tokens or any other tokens that shouldn't belong in your wallet that can potentially drain you. So we're going to swap some SOL for USDT. I'm going to click swap. Gonna click confirm, and within a second or two it's in your wallet. Now, if you want to place a trigger order or a limit order, you can do so by going to the trigger tab, select SOL into whatever token you want to buy. Let's say we want to sell SOL once it hits 269. We're gonna enter 269 down here at the bottom. Then you're gonna place your trigger order. Here on the right side, you can choose how long you want to leave it. You can choose a custom time frame, or you can choose between 10 minutes and 30 days. We're gonna choose never for this case. Gonna place the order, click confirm, and now your SOL is locked inside this trigger order. Now, if you want to figure out where this limit order went, you're gonna click here in the top right corner, and it'll show you, okay, I have some wrapped SOL here locked in Jupiter in limit orders. It'll also show you any other coins you're holding here. Now, if you want to cancel this limit order, you're going to click inside your wallet and you're going to click trigger. Here it'll show you any other trigger orders you have listed. So if you want to cancel it, you're just going to click the order and click cancel. And that's it. Now, let's say you want to place a recurring order. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the recurring tab. Here you can choose how much USDT or any other token you want to allocate into buying SOL or any other token for that matter. Just keep in mind that you need to have at least 100 USDT for this to work. I'm going to say, okay, we're going to buy SOL every minute over 2 orders. And here you can also choose the price range. We're just going to place it, click confirm, and now it'll buy $100 of SOL every minute over 2 orders. So now it'll buy SOL for 2 minutes basically. Now, if you want to do this with more, you can obviously spread it over a longer period of time, but you'll always need at least 100 USDT per order because otherwise it's just pointless and you'll lose all your money on fees and all that stuff. So keep that in mind. That's pretty much how you can use all the basic functions on Jupiter and how you can swap on there. If you want to swap tokens that aren't available in the strict list, you're going to go to deck screen for the token you want to buy. We're going to choose the Fart coin address. We're going to copy it by clicking here on this copy button. And then we're going to paste the address here and swap a little bit of SOL for it. Just going to click swap, confirm, and that's it. That's all there is to using Jupiter and all its functions. Super easy, super concise. If you haven't signed up to the Discord yet, make sure to do so. Link is down below. Hope this helps, guys. Have a wonderful week and take care. Bye-bye.